Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Dr. Muhammad Saklan Zahir, and today our topic is farming systems of Pakistan. First of all, what is the farming system of Pakistan? It is a farming system is the rearing of the crops, the mix of the farm enterprises such as crops, livestock, and agroforestry, fruits, crop for which farm family allocated and budget in order to attain the family. So the factor that influence on the farming systems is that how I want to grow cereals, or we want to grow fruit, or we have to rear the cattle or sheeps, and what is the slope of the land, and what is the temperature, rainfall, and what do these factors encourage you to produce. So I want to make a profit, what shall I produce, what do these factors allow you to produce. So there are many factors that influence on it. There are human factors, that what I can do, market availability of the market, farm size, and building machinery labor, and government policies also, and subsidies, especially subsidies of the government is also effect on the farming system. Next is the type of the farming system. First of all is arable farming which includes the production of only crops in the field and related farm operations of cultural practices, harvesting, storage, transportation. It includes from the seed sowing and to the crop harvesting. Next is the livestock farming. Livestock with the name of this, like this is a livestock farming of the livestock. The rearing of the animal at farm for production of meat, milk, eggs related to farm operations of management like purchase of farm inputs, WAC, and transport of the products to the market. This is the livestock farming. And next is the poultry farming, like the farming of the poultry, the rearing of the chickens for meat, eggs production in farms include the associated management of the operations. Next is the intensive farming. In this system, multiple cropping system and raise of more livestock is carried out at the same time in one calendar year in order to get maximum output from the land and labor resources. This is the intensive farming. And next is extensive farming. In this system of extensive land is used for the farming, which minimize expenditures with the attention to the different use of the other resources. Yield per unit area of the land are usually low. The purpose of such system is to get maximum output from the source, and like water, labor, and fertilizers. And next is the diversified farming. In this system, a wide spectrum of the crops are cultivated and many types of the animals are raised. Like in single year, we can grow cover crops and green crops and diversify crop rotation. And this is all the diversified farming. And next is the subsistence farming. The farming system which the basic objective to fulfill the requirement of food, clothing, clothing and shelter of the farming family. It's common in developing countries due to small land holding of the farmers. Next is the commercial farming. The farming system in which objectives is to commercial scale production of farm products including crops, livestock products and milk and meat. Next is the truck farming. The objective of such type of the farming is to produce one or two types of crops or livestock to transport the products to the nearby market or agro based industries. And the next one is the dry farming or rain-fed farming. The farming system in which crop cultivation and rearing of livestock is carried out in area with the low rainfall facilities. The yield are largely affected by the water availability. And next is the urban based farming. In large town cities, intensive production of high value commodities such as fresh vegetables is being carried out. This is a commercial system with high level of the inputs. Next is the arid farming. This system depend on irrigation water for raising of crops, rearing of animals in the farm. This system is irrigation water for rearing of the crops, rearing of animals in the farm. This system in Pakistan is depend upon the large and diverse canal system. Next, and the other type of the farming is agri pastoral farming system like rearing of crops with the livestock and fruit farming, rearing of the fruit, orchard farming, mountain farming, and grassland farming, growing of the for fodder and livestock, and fish farming is also is the type of the farming system. These are the other type of the farming system. This is enough for today. Thank you.